Far beyond the ice palace, past the snowy hills and glistening frozen lakes, lay the enchanted winter woods, a mysterious forest cloaked in perpetual winter. Though the woods were a place of legend, few dared to enter, for it was said that those who ventured too deep never returned. One quiet evening, as Elsa sat by the frosted balcony of her ice palace, she felt a strange chill, different from the cold she commanded. The wind carried a whisper, "Save us, Queen of Snow." Elsa's curiosity was piqued, and she knew the call was meant for her. Gathering her courage, she called upon Anna, Kristoff, Sven, and Olaf to join her on a journey to the Enchanted Winter Woods. With Sven pulling the sleigh, the group ventured into the unknown. As they entered the woods, they noticed peculiar sights: snowflakes suspended in midair, glowing frost patterns on the trees, and faint laughter echoing through the icy expanse. Olaf, ever the optimist, tried catching the floating snowflakes, only for them to vanish at his touch. Deeper into the forest, they encountered the frozen guardians, giant statues of ice that came to life to test their resolve. The guardians challenged Elsa to prove her worth as the Queen of Snow by creating a bridge of ice over a chasm. With her graceful magic, Elsa formed a shimmering archway, earning the guardians' respect. Beyond the chasm, the group stumbled upon a hidden village inhabited by Frostlings, small, mischievous creatures made entirely of ice and snow. The Frostlings explained that their magic had been disrupted by a powerful force known as the Winter Wraith, a shadowy figure draining the life from the forest. Guided by the Frostlings, Elsa and her friends reached the heart of the woods. There, the Winter Wraith's icy lair stood, a towering glacier glowing with an eerie blue light. The Wraith, a swirling mass of dark ice and frost, emerged, its voice echoing with anger. It demanded Elsa's power, believing it to be the key to controlling all of Arendelle's winter magic. Elsa stood her ground, her hands glowing with icy energy. The Wraith unleashed a storm of freezing winds, but Elsa countered with her magic, creating dazzling snow constructs to shield her friends. Anna and Kristoff worked together to distract the Wraith, while Olaf, in his usual comedic way, accidentally uncovered the Wraith's weakness, a glowing crystal embedded in the glacier. Anna and Kristoff devised a plan to shatter the crystal while Elsa kept the Wraith occupied. With a mighty swing of Kristoff's pickaxe, the crystal cracked, causing the Wraith to lose its form. Elsa then unleashed a burst of light-filled frost, banishing the dark entity and restoring balance to the woods. With the Wraith defeated, the Enchanted Winter Woods began to flourish. The Frostlings pledged their loyalty to Elsa, offering their magic to aid Arendelle whenever needed. The woods transformed into a place of wonder, its beauty now accessible to all who sought it. As the group returned home, the whispering wind carried a new message: "Thank you, Queen of Snow." Elsa knew she had not only saved the forest but also gained allies and wisdom for the challenges ahead. Together, they celebrated their victory, knowing their bond as friends and family had grown stronger than ever. And so, the legend of Elsa and the Enchanted Winter Woods was born, a tale of courage, magic, and the enduring power of friendship.